Hello and welcome to this Master People Platform tutorial focusing on our leadership criteria for MPA. After logging in, navigate to the Template section on the left-hand side of the menu. Click on New to create a new template. You can name it, for instance, MPA Leadership Recruitment. You add the test. Make sure to go over the settings so that they are correct. You can choose to pin this template onto the dashboard like this, though this is optional. Now we will click on Create Criteria. Start with the Administrative Leader. Go to our support page and review this example. Then register it exactly as shown with the specific scale ranges and priorities. Next, continue adding the remaining 3 leadership profiles into your template. Now we've added all 4 of our leadership criteria. And when that's done, you're all set. Now return to the dashboard, where you'll find our pin template. Click on New, and you'll be able to create an assessment with all the registered criteria, which you can find here. And if you haven't saved and published, you can publish it now. You can now choose to add people who have already completed MPA, such as for leadership evaluations. To do this, click on People and then Add People. And we will now add people that are already in our database, so they will appear at the bottom. We add another person. And yet another one. So in this example, we have 3 candidates. If these individuals hadn't yet completed the assessment, you could invite them as usual. However, in this case, we proceed to the analysis view on the right side of the workflow. Click on Advanced and click on all 4 criteria. Then choose Criteria Match here. Add all the 3 people and switch to Criteria to Person. And now you can see how every person matches all the criteria. This view can be copied and pasted wherever you like to expose it, or you can click on the PDF and get the report exported. This is how it looks in the report. That's everything for our MPA leadership criteria. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. You can contact us at support@master.se or by phone at +46 8 32 42 42. Thank you for watching.